squash it.
You just do? You sure?
Yeah, we're pretty good.
So what's the choice of what birds are in this exhibit? If there's so many species and you've only got about half a dozen.
The ones that are here are ones that can be kept comfortably at this temperature.
Okay.
I know one of the other SeaWorlds has emperor penguins, and their exhibit has to be much colder than this one is. So emperors wouldn't be able to be housed with some of the other ones we have. So I don't know. Initially, who decided on it? Do you have something where you're gonna? I don't know if you had another explanation for that. I saw you. But yeah, so they're comfortable in this temperature. There are some like rock hoppers that we have here in the 30-degree temperatures. New England Aquarium just came and they received, what was it, I think 6 or 7 of ours to go up to add to their